Alright guys, so I'm back from ATVing. I'm just going to insert some clips here. First off, once again, climbing up a hill. But that jaguar just looked at me like, don't be looking at me like that. If y'all know, I'm sorry, but I'm not a fan of animals. But like, domesticated ones. Because I think elephants are beautiful and all that, but... Y'all see that? Homeboy, see me trying to have a conversation. Ain't gonna be in my face. Yo, I'm so scared because I jump easy, but I want to see what animals in here. I'm too scared for shit like that. Fuck around. Have to start swinging on a jaguar. Because you're not finna pop it on me. That's what you're not finna do. I'm actually gonna go see the monkeys and the sloths. I seen a sloth yesterday when I was in the rainforest. So amazing. And I learned so much about sloths. Like, sloths are like really super clean. Yes, they are really slow, but still a thing. But yeah, I'm just gonna record and insert clips of the animals I see. Alright guys, I told y'all that I went hiking yesterday. Now I'm hiking again to get to the botanical garden because they have like this, you can make your sugar scrub. I think that's what it's called, but you make it something. And I realized that I need to get in shape. Reason being, don't ever hike up a trail and talk, but I'm gonna do it for y'all. Reason being is, right, I'm visiting all these places that got all these exotic ass animals, and the bitch is out of breath walking up a fucking hill. Imagine when them exotic ass animals get out. How the fuck am I gonna chase it? No, not chase it. How the fuck I'm gonna run away? Cause look, 3 steps and out of breath. Hold on. But y'all get what I'm saying? That's the reason why my black ass need to lose some weight. Get in shape. Cause damn. You know, black people when they hear a little sound, they just like, that's me. But, alright. I'm gonna take y'all on this journey with whatever I'm about to do. Alright. Let's say a cultural experience. Where the fuck am I going? Ain't no other signs past here. No left, right, up, down. Where the fuck am I going, y'all?
Deep yellow, and then all I have to do is get that one. I gotta get these seeds that I can dry and then roast it and peel it. Once you have done the process to peel the beans, it will get that one. So this is cooked base, right? It's because when you grind the beans,
Guys, Good morning. It is October 14th, my 27th birthday. Not gonna fake the fun. Not feeling it today. I don't know. Just gonna relax. Have a spa massage at 12, one of those times. And that's about it. I'm going to do that, relax on the beach, read a book. Not really in it today. And then just finished my massage. It was 2 hours. 10 out of 10 would recommend. Okay, it was phenomenal. They did a bath scrubbed me down. I took a little shower. Then she oiled me down, massaged, and it was like fantastic. So I would definitely recommend, if you've ever at the Root Palace, get the anti-stress massage. But I'm about to go change. Alright guys, would it be my birthday if I didn't do a fit change? Alright guys, this is my birthday. I'm heading to dinner at the Japanese restaurant. Let's see how this goes. So here's the update. I couldn't go to that Japanese restaurant because they cut off like letting people go. So I ended up going to the buffet that I went to earlier, and I had really good food. I wanted to go for like seconds, but I'm really full and I want to drink some alcohol. So I'm going to watch this Grease show that comes on at 8:15, whatever, and that's my night. Hey y'all, it's your girl Key. I'm back. Today is Friday, which is my last full day here, and I am going to get stuff at the gift shop. I only got things for my godson and my niece, so I'm about to get stuff just so I can get stuff. And so hold on. Hey guys, it's my last night in Costa Rica, so I'm about to go to dinner. Hopefully I can get into this Italian restaurant. If not, I'm just gonna go to the main buffet. And then there's another show tonight, so stay tuned.